This is our video number 2 for these 24 horsepower, 24 ton riedel chillers. We're going to come over to our main disconnect on the wall here. Now the way these chillers are set up is when you turn the power on at the disconnect, usually you'll hear the pumps come on. Let's see if that's true. Yep, so both pumps come on. Both pumps run all the time in this type of arrangement here. Right off the bat, you can hear one of the compressors kick in. We have the set point range on these, it's all metric, is 10C to 25C. And you can see here, this is the first screen that comes up. It shows your outlet temperature for A1 and outlet temperature for the CU1 circuit. To change set points, you leave it on this main screen and you just simply start scrolling down. Keep going. This inlet CU2, that actually equates to what your ambient temperature is. So it's 27.2 in the shop. So we keep scrolling down. Inlet, A1 and CU. Those are all by our probes here in the piping. We have inlet and outlet probes for temperature on the first circuit and the same for the second circuit. And then we have this one here, which is called CU2 in the controller. That's your ambient. So you actually have 5 temperature probes here in this section. So again, keep scrolling down, inlet, CU. Keep scrolling down to give you the pressure, the temperature of the refrigerant. Low pressure sensor, the same, the pressure and the temperature of the low pressure sensor. Keep scrolling down until you get to set point A1. When you get to that, you press enter. And you see this little cursor here. You go back and forth to change that. It's set 0 to 25C. Let's say I try to increase that too. It's not going to let you. But I can decrease that. Okay, move the cursor over, and I can bring that down to 10. It's not going to let you go any lower because 10C is the minimum temperature these are set up for, which is about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I can press enter. So it immediately turns on. Now I'm going to do the same for the other circuit. Set point CU, enter, cursor over, down, cursor to the right, down, enter. So now I got both compressors running, both circuits are set for 10 degrees C. Now if I go back to the menu screen, it'll default here and it'll show us our outlet temperatures. So we're starting to chill a little bit here. We're just going through a basic loop, although we do have a fair amount of fluid in our tanks here. You can see we're starting to chill. Now we have, on one of the circuits, we always put in a flow meter. I believe these are 1.5-inch fittings. And we're doing about 35 GPM or so on one circuit, each pump. That's about what you want. You know, you take your 12 horsepower compressor, multiply it by 2.5 or 3 as a rough rule of thumb, and that's about the GPM you want. So each circuit, you're going to have about 35 to 45 GPM. We've actually throttled it back a little bit, just to give it a little bit of back pressure. Again, we're starting to cool here. These will cool down to about to 10 centigrade, the set point, built into the controller, which is password protected. We have the differential about plus or minus a half a degree C. So at 10C, it'll actually cool to about 9.5C and shut off, and it'll turn back on at about 10.5. We have the complete documentation from Riedel. One of these manuals will be saved here. Just in this section of the parameters, this is the page, for example, where we set the parameters for that differential. Also in there, in this section here, this goes into a little bit of what the pressures are to turn off the fan cycling for low ambient. Here are other two units, super nice, gorgeously, if that's a word, engineered units. I took off this one side cover here just to show the coils. We have these coils on both sides. I'll come back with video number 3 as we get closer to the 10C set points.